Look at the camera. Such a proud brother. Do you love baby Patrick?
Mhm. You look like so hungry.
I tilted it so he actually gets some milk.
Look at you feeding him.
You're such a good boy.
You're so good at this. Can Mommy and Daddy go to bed and you can just take care of Patrick?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think, Kelly?
No.
No?
Because I'm not big enough.
You're not big enough?
No.
Can you change his diapers for us and we'll just stay asleep?
No.
No?
He wants to drink it faster.